Hey guys, so today I have for you another Cricut Design Space tutorial for stickers using some SVG files that I downloaded from flaticon.com or from freepik.com. Flaticon is a website where you can just search the name of the clip art that you're looking for, like Jim or something, and it'll bring up icons that you can use. You can also go to freepik.com. And it will bring up a place where you can search for vectors, icons, and everything. You can type in Jim, and usually I go to the icons section here and look at what sort of SVG files I can download here from either. I think this will direct you over to Flaticon when you go to download it. So you get this. You do have to, if you're going to use these commercially, you do have to add some sort of credit to the author, or like a, what do you call it? Like an attribution to the author. So you can take it, it's going to take you over to Freepik, you can see there. So today I have uploaded a few SVGs. These are some SVGs from the last tutorial I did. So we're just going to go and let's see here, select all these images to insert into a new document. And these are all SVG files, so they're all going to be super huge. I'm just going to select them all. If I can get them all in here, I might just click on that. I'm going to resize them to a more manageable size here and just keep them, whoops, in this cluster over here for a second and zoom back in. The habit trackers we're going to be working on today are for your like daily boxes or daily columns that you might have in an A5 style planner insert that fits Erin Condren boxes, because those what I have seen do not have a sidebar where you could probably stack up your habit tracker stickers. Usually it's just the Monday through Sunday layout. So I wanted to do a daily habit tracker for myself. One, because I use personal size week on 4-page inserts that fit Erin Condren stickers, and so I run out of space in my sidebar because it's such a shortened style layout. I do sometimes run out of space in my daily columns as well, but better something than nothing. So we just are going to insert a square. I'm going to go to the edit here. I'm going to unlock it, and I'm going to set the width to 1.5 inches wide, and then I'm going to set it to like 0.5 inches tall. That might be a little bit too big, so I'll set it to 0.4. That seems to be a good thing here, and I'm going to change this to print. I'm also going to change the color. We'll go with this sage color here, and I'm going to move all these guys over and we'll separate them out. I do want to show you, whoops, this water bottle guy here. I'm going to put the link down in the down bar because this has little indentations here where you could actually mark off how much water that you drink. So I thought it'd be cool to include that in here. So I'm going to change all of these to print and all of them to white so they stand out on the background here. So we'll change all of this to white and all of these to print. Oh, one part of it didn't get changed to white. All changed to white, which I hope you can see here. No, I didn't mean to click that. Let's move this to the back here. Arrange, move to back. I wanted to show you, I did take off the food. There was like a food pile and I took that off of there. I'm going to zoom in here, and we're going to, I'm not sure how this is going to really actually fit in, if you will be able to mark off how much water you drink. You might be able to, just because it's so small. But these are just the habits that either I want to start or want to continue doing, and I guess we could set these all to the same size. We can go to edit. The height is 0.33. We can change this to 0.33. You want to keep these locked because you don't want to change the scale or the ratio of the style of the icon there. Like if you were to unlock it and put this at 0.33 as well, it's going to squish that. That doesn't look bad, but I just prefer not to do that. And then also this, I like this because I need to moisturize twice a day. So there's 2 there. We might have to make these a little bit smaller. I'm kind of just doing this as I do it with you all here. Let's see here. And I do need to feed the dog twice, obviously. So I'm going to see if I can stack 2 up. Yeah. So I'm going to select all of these. And what is happening here? Let's see if we can move this. Why is that doing that? Okay, I guess we're just going to can't you group? There we go. And make it smaller here. That's good. Okay, ungroup. Having a rough time today for some reason. I don't know what the dealio is. And we'll bring this guy over to... I kind of want to start doing some sort of activity because right now it's cold and I don't do anything, especially like we used to walk the dog all the time, you know, but it's cold, so I don't hardly walk the dog anymore either, which is horrible. So I'm just changing these how I like them. I'm going to select all of these by holding down the Shift key. Maybe not that one. And align the bottom. And because we have a little bit more space here, I'm actually going to make this one a little bit bigger. Okay, take these and align center. Okay, and I'm going to group these. And then I'm going to take this and try to do a distribute horizontally. No, for some reason it doesn't work. So usually when it doesn't work, I go to save and I type in a project name, Daily Habit Tracker, and I click save, and hopefully it saves. Yes, okay. So then I go, whoops, and select all of these again and distribute horizontal, and still didn't work. I don't know why it won't. Distribute horizontally is supposed to take the farthest most point of this one and the farthest most point of this one and distribute all of these evenly. And it really frustrates me that my distribute horizontally never works because now I have to eyeball that they're evenly spaced, and they might not be, and the nudge or the left or right arrow, up or down arrow, is not sensitive enough to gently nudge these images ever so slightly. So I'm going to align bottom. I'm not going to align the bottom of this one though. We'll move that up here. So now we have a habit tracker, and I'm going to actually make this height a little bit smaller. Okay, no decimals there, fine. Or half sizes, I guess, there, because this is going to be too small. Okay. And we can also group all of these. Group and take this. Oh, I know what's going to happen. It's going to try and cut this weird, I think. Okay, and okay. So I'm going to take this and group this together, and I'm going to copy and paste We have another one, and we can go over to the layers pane and go down here and change the color. So I have made a copy of 4. I have centered the alignment and distributed them horizontally, or sorry, vertically. That worked. So the space here, here, and here is all the same. I'm going to actually now flatten this group here, hopefully. Okay, so now it's a flattened set. I feel like it squished something, but I guess it didn't. So now it is a flattened set, and we can hit go. I was trying something out earlier. For some reason, my subscription was all sorts of messed up. So I was trying to make sure I could get an image that was, it told me I had to pay for it when I didn't really need to. So now we have it in a row of the colors that we want. So if I want to flood the print area with a lot of these, it's going to stay in this, what do you call it? This alignment. It's going to stay in these color things. I don't know what my problem is today without being able to speak, but it's going to stay this way. So now you can see by flattening that image of 4, we now have the entire printable area is flooded with the image, and it stayed in the same alignment and spacing that we had on our design space screen. I was able to fit 9 in the printable area for my Cricut Explore. I believe if you design on the iPad app that you get a bigger print area. However, I have not done that. So you can just change colors, save this file, and make it match your weekly colors when you're you know, coming up with spreads and themes and things like that. So I think this is a pretty cool little guy to have, especially if you have daily things that you want to track and you don't have a sidebar, or even if you just have a personal size planner and you want to just put this in one of the boxes or whatnot. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a whole bunch of other Cricut videos that are either coming or on my channel, and I'm really excited to share them with you. I'm gonna get the shockwave crash here probably. So I hope this was enjoyable. Again, you can find these icons on FreePick or flaticon.com. I'll have them linked below. I'll also have another icon-based tutorial linked below as well. So thanks for watching. Bye.